Hey, I'm Dennis, a full-stack engineer at GitLab. Like most developers, I love building features, the hard bit, but I often forget about documentation, the boring bit. The problem? Without good docs, we create knowledge silos, slow down onboarding, and make maintenance harder. Today I will show you how GitLab Duo agents powered by the knowledge graph can automatically handle documentation for us. First, let's establish a documentation strategy for our contributor platform. I will ask Duo to analyze our project and create a foundation. The documentation strategy agent is now analyzing our project structure, checking our dependencies through the knowledge graph, and determining what documentation frameworks fit best. Great! It created a docsmd file with our documentation standards, scaffolded an OpenAPI specification for our API, and generated a system architecture diagram using Mermaid. This gives us a solid foundation. Let's view the freshly generated OpenAPI definition in a Swagger editor. Cool! Looks great! Let's commit and push our new established documentation strategy. Sometime later, I have built a cool new feature for our contributors platform, the mentorship management. But now I need to document it. First, let me check if our documentation is complete using the validation agent. We are leveraging this by running a VS Code task which uses the GitLab Duo CLI to check if there is sufficient documentation for my newly created feature. The validation agent checks our changes against the docsmd requirements, verifies API specs, and validates our diagrams. As expected, it found gaps. Our mentorship management feature isn't documented yet. Let's fix that. I will ask Duo to generate documentation for my recent changes. I will make use of the documentation generation agent. The generation agent analyzes my code changes, queries the knowledge graph to understand how this feature connects to our existing services, and generates documentation that follows our established standards. Perfect! It created OpenAPI spec entries for the new mentorship management feature. It also generated a sequence diagram showing the feature flow. And also updated our docsmd, where we have established our documentation standard. Let's stage the new generated documentation and validate again to confirm everything is complete. Excellent! All documentation requirements are met. Our feature is fully documented without manual effort, and we are ready to commit. So what did we accomplish? We automatically established documentation standards in the docsmd. We generated comprehensive API documentation in form of an OpenAPI YAML. We created visual diagrams and validated everything. And all powered by custom GitLab Duo agents via GitLab Duo Chat, the GitLab Duo CLI in combination with the VS Code task feature and the GitLab Knowledge Graph. The best part? These agents are already available in GitLab's public AI catalog at gitlab.com. Use them as is, duplicate and adapt them for your workflow, or create new agents and share them with the entire GitLab community. Testing agents, code review agents, whatever solves real problems for you and others. Want to provide feedback or improve existing agents? Submit an issue in the Managing Projects issue tracker. And if you're interested in contributing to our AI catalog, visit contributors.gitlab.com to start your onboarding. Thanks for watching.